Hey everybody, David over at Frequency Frontiers. So here's your ham radio minute. So, when the contest ends tonight or tomorrow morning, depending on your location, the bands are going to sound weird. Right after any major contest, the HF bands go through what I call the contest hangover. All weekend long, you've had thousands of high power stations blasting across the spectrum, and when they vanish, it feels empty. Like the bands died almost overnight. But here's the trick they didn't. What you're really hearing is contrast. Our ears get used to constant signals, loud DX, and nonstop QRM. Once that stops, the bands feel eerily quiet, even if conditions are still solid. But here's the cool part. The day after a big contest is actually done, it's one of the best times to stag DX. A lot of rare stations are still on the air, cleaning up, testing antennas, or winding down when they pack up. And there's low noise floor, fewer pile-ups, and their bands are still primed from the weekend. So, don't let the silence fool you. The bands aren't dead. They're just recovering. And that's your ham radio minute. I'm David over Frequency Frontiers in 7-3.